Good day everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be having a look at the reports functionality within DataTill. Reports provide a comprehensive overview of essential information related to your DataTill system. This includes summaries, sessions, graphs, and statuses. They serve as a valuable tool for assessing specific details within DataTill. Let's start by having a look at the traffic log. The traffic log is a record that captures activity and interactions happening within a network or a system. It keeps track of data transmissions, connections, and actions made by users or devices. Essentially, a traffic log is like a detailed diary that notes all the incoming and outgoing data. Next, we will be looking at the data activity summary. As you can see here, it provides a clear monthly overview of radius data. It includes customer names, usernames, upload and download stats, and the first and last times they were accessed. This is handy as it can let you see the customer usage and their active times all together. Moving on to the package summary. Here you will see a comprehensive summary of all the monthly data packages. This summary entails the package details, monthly allocation, actual usage, and associated monthly cost for each package. Next we have the data top-up summary. The data top-up summary will show you the package, monthly cap, monthly usage, top-up date, top-up size, and the cost. Moving on to the high-site billing summary. High-site billing is like charging for a specific location that provides internet. High-site billing means keeping track of how much data people use at that specific location, and as well as the total monthly billing from that location. Next we have the hotspot summary. For hotspot reporting, you will see a hotspot summary, which offers a variety of details for hotspot reporting. You will also see hotspot sessions, which allows you to see all current active hotspot sessions. For any further details on hotspot reporting, please refer to the reports guide link found in the description below. And lastly, we have the power status. The power status page shows you the status of all your Raspberry Pis as well as your other devices that have voltage monitoring functionality available. As seen here, you can view all the power sensor details as well as a graph that tracks the past voltage reading. For any further details in regards to reporting, please refer to the reports manual link found in the description below. Please like and subscribe to stay up to date on any new DataTill videos. Thank you for watching.